WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that lets you customize your profile picture with avatar poses and backgrounds. Let's see how to use it. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. From the list of options, select Avatar. Here, you will find the new update, choose Pose and Background. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. Now tap on it. On the next screen, 5 different poses of your avatar will appear. Tap each one to view its animation. This allows you to personalize your avatar's appearance and express your style more creatively. Now select the one you like most. You can also choose a background color by tapping through the options and picking the one you like. This lets you customize the background to match your avatar's vibe and make it stand out. Once finished, tap Save. Your avatar will be updated and displayed with the chosen pose and background. From now on, when your friends view your profile picture, they can swipe it to see your avatar's pose and background. This lets your friends interact with your profile and see your avatar's personality and style in a dynamic way. So that's how you can add an avatar pose and background to your WhatsApp profile picture.